Most of the Amazon KDP books fail. Do you know the reason? Today I am going to share the 4 critical reasons from my own experience. If you are planning to publish a book, this video can save you months of frustration. I have published more than 30 books on Amazon KDP. Some books sell, but some books didn't sell. I learned these lessons by losing time, effort, and hope. So, what I am sharing today, it is not theory. It is from my own experience. Failure number one, no clear reader. This is the reason most book fail. The author does not know whom the book is for. They write for everyone, which means they write for no one. Amazon rewards relevance. If your book does not clearly solve a problem for a specific reader, the Amazon does not know whom to show this book. How to avoid this mistake? Choose a one type of character, a reader. Solve one clear problem. Write only for that person. Failure number two, wrong topic selection. Second mistake, choosing topics based on assumption, not demand. Others think I like this topic, so others also will like it. But the Amazon is a marketplace. What matters is not what you like. What matters is what people are already buying. How to avoid it? Study Amazon search results. Look at the reviews, not just ranking. Validate before you write. Failure number three, one book mindset. This is the big reason for third. Authors publish one book and expect results. When nothing happens, they assume Amazon KDP does not work. But the Amazon KDP is working. But Amazon is a portfolio game. One book teaches you, multiple books create momentum. How to avoid this mistake? Commit to publish multiple books. Improve with every book. Think long term, not overnight success. Failure number four, poor positioning. Fourth mistakes, good content, bad presentation, weak title, confusing subtitle, unclear description. Readers decide in seconds. If they don't understand the benefit, they don't buy. How to avoid this? Clear, promise the title, simple language, focus on one outcome, not information. The final reality check, Amazon KDP is not broken. Most books fail because the process is wrong, not because the platform is dead. If you fix the process, the result will follow. If you want to publish your book right away, subscribe this channel. In the next video, I will show you how to choose a profitable book topic even if you are a complete beginner. See you on the next video.